All right. I wish I was coming to you guys with better news, but apparently there has been a security bypass attempt. NiceHash just put up a blog post about it yesterday, and I feel like this didn't even get covered by basically anybody. I know not many people are on NiceHash, at least not in a professional capacity, but there still are a ton of entry level and hobbyist grade miners on NiceHash. So um, this is something that definitely needs to be communicated and talked about. So this is on the official NiceHash blog. Due to an earlier incident today that has been mitigated, and as per our security protocols in such instances, wallet withdrawals are temporarily disabled as a precaution. That's all wallet withdrawals. An attempt to bypass our security was quickly detected and prevented by our team, and all other operations are functioning as normal. Mining, hash power marketplace, and trade are still operational. We sincerely apologize for this inconvenience, and we remain open and transparent about all security related incidents, and will be updating this post. We would like to emphasize to all users that this incident has been mitigated and all user funds are safe. Wallets will be re-enabled as soon as possible. We are here to ensure the safety of our users, your NiceHash team. So a lot of people have joked about it, and nice hack v2 and all this stuff. um I just made a video actually just a couple days ago. I switched off of NiceHash when they disabled Coinbase direct withdrawals, because that was really one of my big things, is I could get fast zero fees withdrawals from NiceHash to Coinbase, like pew, and that was my number one selling point on NiceHash. It made less money than direct mining. The pools definitely weren't as stable. I would get more stale shares going to NiceHash compared to most direct pools like Ethermine. So seeing this today, actually, a friend of mine was trying to withdraw to his Bitcoin address, and he was like, "Man, it's not working." So then I looked at the blog, and there was actually an update about the withdrawals being disabled. So in this situation, you can still mine to your NiceHash address, and I'm not going to tell you guys what to do or what not to do, but potentially you may not be able to get that money out of there. Obviously, it'd be nice to have them fix it as soon as possible, but I'd hate for you to keep mining to an address or to a service that's not going to actually pay you out. So this may be a good time for people to switch over to another service. If NiceHash does get things back operational, then you can switch back to them. It's not the end of the road. But if they don't, I'd hate for you guys to waste more time mining and wasting your hash power essentially. So just take that with a grain of salt. This is, I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm telling you what to do. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. With that being said, stay safe, stay secure. I currently have about $100 worth of Bitcoin stuck in NiceHash that I can't get out now. So that kind of stinks, because I was withdrawing basically every day, and I was doing about 90 to $100 a day. So yeah, that stinks. Even though it's not a lot, it's still a lot. You know what I mean? Every dollar counts, especially when you're mining and you're keeping up with everything. Yeah. So if you need to have a guide on mining and stuff, just you can go on my channel or go on any of the other YouTuber channels. How to direct mine Ethereum, how to use Kudo Miner, how to use Better Hash. Those are a couple of the other big ones. Yeah, yeah, I did not see this coming. So comment down below. Let me know what your guys' thoughts is. Is this just, do you think they have it under control? That's the big issue here. Do they have it under control? I don't know. I hope so. I hope my $100 is safe. And for a lot of other people that kept a lot of money in NiceHash, which was never advised or suggested, I always advised people to pull their money out ASAP on a daily or even more frequent basis. Yeah, dang, it just sucks. All right, guys. I'm going to get to sleep. It's 3 a.m. I need to get off here. Have a good night. Oh, yeah. And I'll keep you updated as soon as some more information presents itself on this topic. Later. Jellyfish. Squad.